How to read handwriting using Google Lens apps. Hello guys, if you are facing a problem with handwriting and you don't know what was that and you want to get help from Google Lens, how you guys can use that? So for that we will simply go to Google Lens app. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store. So simply click on Lens app. Once you click on that, you guys can open and click on open camera, and if that handwriting was in real life like it was on paper, it is you guys can simply take a picture. And also if you took already picture, for example I have that pic in gallery, I will simply click on that. Once I click on that, Google Lens will automatically detect, it will say select text, so I'll simply click on select text. Once I click on select text, here you guys will see translate. So if the lang- handwriting language was English, you will simply click on translate. Here you guys will simply wait for some seconds. Once we wait for some second, here you guys can see all your handwriting text, like it says this handwriting test to see. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.